Many people know about Bitterleaf, but not so many know the various things it is used for. Bitterleaf is a vegetable grown in Africa that serves so many purposes. It is used to prepare some of the most nutritious delicacies in Africa. Bitterleaf is highly medicinal, so it is used for the production of lots of medicines that are used all over the world. Due to this, Bitterleaf has become a very popular demand in the global market, as a lot of farmers export their bitter leaves to Europe, America, Asia, India, and so many other places. It is such a very lucrative business, but not so many people are aware of that. Today, I will bring you one of the biggest Bitterleaf farmers in Africa, who has become a millionaire only by planting and selling bitter leaves. This massive farm is located in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. Hello my people, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I am with this young man. He's an entrepreneur, he's a farmer. So we have come to see his farm. He's a Bitterleaf farmer, but before we go on, let him introduce himself to us. So sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Tell us your name.
My name is Chinedu.
Chinedu.
Yes.
Oh, so we came here and we saw something amazing, something incredible that you are doing here.
Thank God
like,
for that.
Want you to tell us, like, how did it all start for you? How did you start all this?
You know, a journey of 1,000 miles always starts with a step.
Yeah.
So we started this from small to this massive extension you are seeing. Yeah. Because I could remember this farm has been let's say for 10 to 15 years, if I'm not mistaken, more than that actually. Wow. So gradually we are expanding every year. So when we started, it's only a few bitter leaf and mainly pumpkin we are doing.
Okay, you also do pumpkin?
I'm so in pumpkin.
Well, I didn't see any pumpkin here.
Yes, we are not in pumpkin now because we noticed that this one is more lucrative than that of pumpkin.
Wow. An Igbo man now, who doesn't like money? Anything that brings more money, you just jump into it.
This one is like, I normally call this one installation. Once you install it, leave it there, 5 years it's still there. Just cut the thing, the fresh one will come out, you still continue harvesting. But pumpkin is after like, let's say 6 months, everything will die off. But this one, some of this my farm has been lasted for 6 years without replanting it.
Wow.
Once I planted it, just to weed and harvest
to grow again.
If you grow to your to extent that workers, it will be difficult for workers to harvest it. You cut and the thing will now start
grow.
Nursery again.
Wow! So once you plant it that one time, you're not going to.
It will last for 5 years.
For 5 years before you replant again.
Before you replant again. For me, some of my colleagues they don't used to replant. But I replant so that the thing will be clustered again, so that it give me what I expect.
Okay.
So that is it.
Wow. So we'd like to know more about this your Bitterleaf farm and this business as a whole. Like, where is your market base, or are you exporting at the moment?
No, I'm not yet exporting, but all my target plan was I'm hoping to still enter to the line of exportation because. Even some seminars I have already attended a few years ago, they also enlightened us about exportation, how vegetable sells abroad, and we are very happy because it's a good idea and it's a nice move. But the requirement was much in terms of do this, do that, and after we pass all through the scrutinization they give us, the requirement they give us. Still, it was abortive because we noticed that it's based on who you know.
Who you know.
Based on that, who you know, we now withdraw from aspect of exportation because then it comes from government. So we now withdraw from that line and focus our business, expecting that one day government will locate us because they must notice that something is happening here. So that is why
they have to notice because who will see this massive farm and not try to put in effort for the farmer to be exporting. Who does that?
We normally, how we market our goods is on local market. We sell wash and unwash. This one now is law Bitterleaf, is unwashed. We also sell washed one.
Okay, you the one you harvest, you wash it.
Yeah, we
now take it over to the market.
Yes, but those washed one, I normally sell it on web based on contact because we do supply for the people that are doing something like burial, wedding, opening of house, all these ceremony, big occasions.
Okay.
Even the time they did the Ikemba Ojuku.
Burial.
Was it
that
on
was 2012, 2011?
13 or 14.
Okay.
13 or 14.
Okay.
I also supplied Bitterleaf then to about 3 cookers.
Wow.
3 people, among the, because there were many then, but I supplied to almost 3 people. So I do supply the wash one, even to port I do weigh bill. So anytime, even people also came here for me to install for them. Okay. I now go and see their site, tell them their requirement, what it will take for them to build this kind of business. And then I will now enlighten the person. If the person wants me to take charge of everything after installation,
I'll manage it for the person.
I will manage it for the person. I will do that. So that is how we operate here.
Okay.
And we really need, if it's possible for us to link, for anybody to link us to any off-taker that will be helping us to taking it abroad, because that is the main fish.
Well, when I came here, the first thing that came to my mind is this farm must be exporting because it's too massive. Looking at it now, you know that local market cannot consume
local market
what is here.
Because I have almost 2 or 3 of this.
Wow.
2 or 3 of these, the same size.
In this same area.
In this Akamili.
Wow.
Because we are here in Akamili Wood in May.
Yeah.
So be precise.
Wow.
Yeah, and this is happening in Akamili Wood in May.
Wow.
So
that's nice.
I have like 2 or 3 of these because the second one, my younger brother is managing the other one. Then the third one, I abandoned it because of the poor market sales. If I cover all of them, I can't sell it in the local market. So that is why we still base it. But if you can look at it, everything is intact and very neat because we cover a lot of it.
So even as this farmer is making a lot of money, he still has some challenges. He is finding it difficult to export his Bitterleaf overseas. This is an opportunity for our people overseas that are watching us to link up with him and be taking up this Bitterleaf, selling it to people out there and be making your money. For anybody who has interest in buying this Bitterleaf from this man to export, you can send me an email or call the number on the screen so that we'll work it out. It is a big business. It's a good business. You're making your money.
It's a recreative in nature because I use my everything I have to modulate it as I want. As you can see, it's very massive. It's up to 5 to 50, about 10 to. It's almost about 5 to 7 hectares of land now with Bitterleaf precisely. And so this is what I do for a living. It's a pure business.
Wow.
I do this for a living. Okay. When I was in school, they taught us entrepreneurship. And inside that entrepreneurship, they also let us to know that self-employed matters in any kind of business.
Okay.
So that is why when I was in school, I'm also in this business then.
Okay.
So after school, I now came back full time because that time is like part-time business. But after school, I now come to the business full time and give it what it needed. And the business now paying me what I also expected. But also hoping that tomorrow I might be exporting, because that is what all my targets, that is what I'm targeting to because I have all it takes for export. Because even say by I could remember on 2017 or 2016 we went to one seminar at Nnewi North local government when they enlightened us about vegetable exporting. But after all those things, after that seminar, it was to no avail. But if peradventure by your coming now, I finally connect me to any link that will help me for exporting, I'll be very grateful and happy for that.
Okay, so what you are saying in essence is that you have all the capacity that is needed for exportation.
Very.
Just the link is what you are looking for.
Yes, very sure.
Okay.
I have what it takes, both the manpower and the production. Everything is on ground. That what we will need more is the market to sell, the link to take it abroad or to offtake it. That is what we need. Because if Aribi will get to that link of exporting, we can do more than this. Even that this one is big, but you can do more than this. Because I also have another farm somewhere else. Somewhere at Zago, but based on the market cannot take everything, I now abandon that one and concentrate on this one. But as you can see, my farm is from here to that extreme, even where your eyes cannot even see. The same thing this way. So you can't just stand on a particular place and capture my farm. It's impossible. Just capturing and going until you
get to the very end.
You reach to the very end. I have up to 15 to 20 workers.
Workers here?
Yes, ladies.
Okay.
And I have tele people I'm paying monthly, but others I'm paying them on daily. Those 15 to 20 I'm paying them on a daily basis.
So amazing.
From Monday to Saturday, they are on work.
Wow.
From Monday to Saturday, they are on work. They are not harvesting, they might be weeding, or they might be spraying the manure. But the manure is mainly for those my few boys that I also employ and paying. So as of today now, they went to get money from one of our depot. We normally bring money from one of the farm. We normally bring money. But if I can get the link of exporting, the product is not a problem. I can produce as much as I can.